Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and peace be upon us. I'm Alif Trisakti and as mentioned before, please don't hesitate to call me Alif, just like the close friend who have shared stories and laughter with me for so long. Today, under the always beautiful and hopeful skies of Aceh, I stand before you to recall a winding journey, a narrative of how destiny led me to anchor myself as a cadet at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic of Malahayati Aceh. It might sound a bit unique, even ironic, when I open the pages of my childhood. The anchor of my dream was not at all tied to the roar of the wave or the vastness of the oceans. Instead, my gaze was always fixed on the vast expanse of the sky, on the graceful silhouette of airplane soaring through the blue above my grandfather's house. The sound of their engine was like a symphony, calling to my adventure spirit, and the world of aviation was a universe full of mystery. As time went by, that interest grew into a deep obsession. So, I began to prepare myself diligently, imagining myself as a pilot, flying those big metal birds through the clouds. This preparation was done in stages and in a structured manner. For instance, in the academic realm, I realized that a foundation of knowledge was a key. I explored various online tryout platforms. Every question I managed to solve gave me a fresh boost of enthusiasm, fueling my belief that I was getting closer to the gates of my dreams. However, I also understood that the world of cadet, especially in aviation, demanded excellent physical condition. Therefore, the Gelanggang Olahraga or sport hall became my second home. Running laps around the track, doing hundreds of push-ups and sit-ups, and various other strength and endurance exercise became my weekly routine, ensuring that this body would be ready to face all the physical challenges. Preparation was not limited by physical and intellectual aspect. I also paid serious attention to my overall health, like providing this body with the best skill to face every challenge. Moreover, the mental aspect became a primary concern. I learned to manage pressure and build a positive mindset. I read the motivational books, listen to inspirational talks, and practice relaxation technique to maintain calmness and focus at every stage of the exams I will face. The year 2022 arrived as the first chapter of my real trial. With the blessing of my parents, I dared to register at the Sekolah Tinggi Penerbangan Indonesia Curug. A mix of nervousness and enthusiasm churned within my chest. I went through each stage of the selection process with all my ability. How happy I was when I managed to reach the final stage, just one step away from the gates of my dreams. But destiny apparently had a different script. I fell for the first time. That failure felt so painful. My tears fell uncontrollably. I feel like a pilot who had lost control of his aircraft. Oh God, why did it have to be this hard? I had already tried so hard, just one more step to see the proud smile on my parents' face. Yet, I didn't allow myself to wallow in sadness for too long. The spirit to rise again burned within me. Entering 2023, while walking to fill the empty days, I began to prepare again. This time, the Akademi Penerbangan Indonesia Banyuwangi became my next destination. Although it felt heavy to divide my time between work and study, I resolved to keep fighting for the dream that still lingered strongly in my heart. My father, the figure who has always been my source of encouragement, once again overrode his wise word. Son, he said with affection, what you perceive as a delay could be God's way of protecting you from something you are not ready to face. Honestly, at that time, I simply not without fully understanding the depth of his word. The series of tests began again, and I faced them with more thorough preparation. Academic tests, physical and health tests, psycho tests, an interview, I passed them quite easily. However, I failed for the second time. This time, I didn't cry. Instead, I laughed. I laughed at what I would become in the future. I began to question, was the world of aviation really the only way to achieve my dream of becoming a cadet? The year 2024 became my last chance to try my luck. I even decided to resign from my job, giving all my focus and energy to realizing my dream of becoming a cadet. However, the same question haunted my mind again. Did I have to be fixed on the world of aviation? Was I willing to let go of my dream of roaring airplane engines to try my luck in the maritime world, which was foreign to me? After grappling with various considerations, without hesitation, I made up my mind. Mucho Marine Polytechnic of Malahayati Aceh became my last port of hope. With even more maximum preparation, I faced the series of exams that felt familiar. And do you know what God's answer was this time? I was declared passed. Alhamdulillah. From that journey filled with failures and lessons, I finally understood the meaning of every event that had occurred. I learned that sometimes God's plans are far more beautiful than what we imagine. Therefore, allow me to convey a message from the deep of my heart to all of you who are striving to achieve your dreams. I hope you can chase those dreams too. Go after what you want to be with everything you have. Don't let fear, doubt, or what others say hold you back. Every step forward brings you closer to becoming the person you are meant to be. Thank you. I am Alif Trisakti. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.